Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers, showing you the simulated leather seat covers. These are custom fit seat covers for your vehicle that are going to be nice and tight fitting, almost like new upholstery, but they are a pullover seat cover meant to protect your original upholstery. So if you're looking for a custom seat cover that's going to fit tight, look great inside your vehicle, be super easy to clean and wipe up, protect from the mud and grime from the animals and also from your hunting and outdoor trips, this is a great option to go with. We do this for a lot of construction vehicles, a lot of outdoorsmen. Now you can also add pockets, front pockets for your pistols, gear, ammo, storage up there, and then also rear pockets as well are available. And really awesome looking sets. See more at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.